80th chainsaw with the Stihl electric chainsaw, and we have a Ryobi. See, I'm gonna tell you which one is better with the Ego electric 80th chainsaw. First, we're gonna start with the battery. The batteries of Ego are pretty good. They look like this. This is a big battery, and then they have littler ones, like this one. The chargers, there's a fast charger, and then it's just a regular charger. So let's go on to the chain. So the 18th chainsaw, the things are bigger than the 18th chainsaw is the biggest groove than all of the other chainsaws. So yeah, it's big, but still works. And then still, it's pretty small, but yeah. And Ryobi, still a little bit small. Okay, and then the Ego has a chain tightener, so you don't have to bring any tools. It's just this knob right here. And then we're going to go to how fast they go. Like, you start up and how fast it runs. So the Stihl, when you turn it on, it's like any other Stihl. The Ryobi, the same. And the Ego is totally different. The Ego, when you start this thing up, it has to get the full speed. Yeah, so you're like, but it's still gonna, but it still will cut through a log or a tree. The Ego is easy to start. You just get this off safe, get this extra one on, you pull the trigger, and it starts. This one is the same. Just have to have the battery. And Ryobi, same. And then for the tightening, it has a little knob too. This one has no knob, but yeah, this one still takes oil. And yeah, but the thing about the Ego that no other chainsaw has is light. Right here, it has a light right here. So yeah, so you can do like night vision and all after a storm. Yeah, so I hope you like this video, and subscribe down below, and goodbye. Come on, you.